Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is an update from Grid Controller of India Limited, a mini Ratna company. They are going to recruit on the basis of GATE 2025 scorecard. As we know earlier already, lots of the PSUs they released notification that yes, they will also recruit on the basis of GATE 2025 scorecard. In this line, one more PSU is there for you, dear students. Let's check it out. So here, when you will go to the official website of Grid Control, okay, Grid India, Grid Controller of India Limited. Here you can see on this one the recruitment of executive trainee in electrical discipline through GATE 2025, and they release the detailed advertisement. Here, let's check it out. So when I will go here, so first of all, I can understand here that Grid Controller of India Limited means Grid India is a mini Ratna company. Okay, they are going to recruit which position? Executive trainee in the discipline of electrical. All right, now look at here, the number of vacancies to be filled up through GATE 2025 is 37, and that is the tentative. Okay, the final number of vacancies along with the category wise breakup they will release in the detailed advertisement only. Okay, now and the next thing is here eligibility criteria. So qualified in GATE 25 candidate, whoever is applying here, if you are having BTech in your electrical branch, okay, and if you will clear GATE 2025 and qualify the same, then qualifying marks shall be declared by the GATE 25 organizing institute. For details on qualifying marks for all categories, please visit this website that we already know. Upper age limit is 28 year in this case. Essential qualification is BTech with minimum 65% marks is required. Who are eligible? Electrical power, electrical and electronics, power system engineering, power engineering. Okay, these are eligible. Relaxation and concession mentioned, you can check it out this one. Okay, in the age, and reservation is also there according to the rule of government of India. Selection process, as they mentioned clearly, ki selection process consists of marks obtained out of 100 in the electrical engineering, okay, of GATE 2025 paper, then group discussion and then personal interview. So this is a three-stage selection process. First, they will shortly see you on the basis of your GATE 2025 scorecard, then group discussion and personal interview. Okay, paper code should be double E in this case. Okay, so and here even they mention the qualifying marks in the interview for unreserved category 40% required, for EWS 40%, for others this is 30%. All right, and weightage of different parameters. So group, first of all, the GATE marks weightage is 85%, 3% for group discussion, 12% for personal interview, then the total will be 100%. All right, now look at to the next one. Now they mention clearly that know that only GATE 2025 score normalized marks out of 100 is valid for this recruitment process. GATE 24 or prior score is not eligible in this case. Okay, and so you can see more details also. Compensation and packages 50,000 to 1,60,000 will be the pay scale, okay, in the E2 level, and that is a good one after training also. Service agreement bond will be there. So now you cannot apply here. The selection process or application process will be start only and only after the GATE 25 result. They mention clearly here the date of commencement of online submission of application will be notified after declaration of GATE 2025 result, dear students. And still, if you not fill the form of GATE 2025, then fill it before the 26th September without any late fees, and be ready with lots of the opportunities after your GATE 2025 result. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of videos.